Hi guys, I just want to show you how to access the library. So make sure that you are logged into your MyVU account, and then from there you need to go to Academic and it'll say Library. So you click on there and then it'll take you to this OneVU, and that is completely fine. Let's say I want to talk about same-sex marriage. Okay, I'm going to search and I'm going to do an advanced search because I want to make sure that I would like to have, you can have all formats, so maybe I'm going to get some ebooks or something, but I want to make sure I can go to any of these if I want. I'm just going to click the VU library, any of them. Publication year, I'm going to say, let's say 1990, maybe a little bit better than that, but you know, whatever. And then formats, I'm going to give all of them. We don't need just peer review articles, but I'm going to go ahead and click search. Now, something that I want to do over here once I get something is, which is interesting, I'm going to remove the 1990. What I want to do is I want to have full text. So I don't want things that aren't going to give me the full article, okay? And then I'm going to go by and I'm going to look at the publication year. And I'm going to put like maybe the last 10 years, okay? And then no, really? Let me get rid of that 1990. It seems to be tripping me up. If I have it, if I don't have that, clear. And then I want to go back. And then, okay. Hey guys, I want to go through finding resources for your research paper. So the first thing you want to do is go to MyVU. You want to scroll down under yours that says library. You click on it, and then it'll take you right here. So let's say I want to do same-sex marriage. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to try to match some things. So I want to make sure that, I mean, we can have different types, but I want to make sure that whatever I choose is full text. Like, it's so frustrating when you click on something and then you can't find it. Maybe I'm going to do the last 10 years for it to be recent enough. And then I'm just going to see like what kind of things I have. You want to make sure that you have variety. So a print source would be good, but scholarly articles would be really good. So kind of can go through something that I think works really well. If we can go back here, our database is A through Z. And when you go on this side, it's called Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints. And honestly, I think this is probably the best resource. Maybe you did it in 101 for your argumentative essays, but if it's a good topic, articles will come up. And so if you have a topic that's kind of obscure and it doesn't come up, then you know, hey, this might not be the best topic. So I'm going to put same-sex marriage. We know it's going to be good because it already comes up. And then you've just got so much to talk about. So my internet's been a little slow, but you can see this right here, and there's so many things you can do. So I would always send it to your email to yourself, or you can save it in your Google Drive. That's another great idea. To learn how to cite it, you can go here. It's already on MLA 8. Copy and paste that and put it in your works cited. You can do a whole other host of things, but this is probably two good couple of resources for your topic, and you can always go to the librarians for assistance as well. I hope that helped.